SERV stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether SERV Robotics stock is a buy or not for me. So watch this short video till the end. Sitting at $13.76, we're 1.4% down for the day. That was Friday, but now I'm still looking and trying to actually double down on this bullish market. When I say double down, we already have a proof of concept that the price already is going up. So the way that I would take advantage of this here is only if the price starts giving me breaks above 15.18, $15.18. If the price just stays inside this pink level, which is, by the way, I call this a no man's land, which is I just don't care whatever the price does. If it either breaks the lower or higher above the red or the pink square. So I'm waiting. If you want to learn the strategy that I'm using for free, check the photos link in the description. All reviews 5 stars. See you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.